So those of you like were on Friday, it's a repetition of my pitch from that day. But yeah, I'll just make the problem stated again and show the progress and inform you what we do today. So as I said, like we make like models for making like data fair. I'm part of this big project, European project called like EJPRD, where we are making like RDF model for like different rare disease related data. So we started with making model for like minimum set of information captured in like a biobank and registries about patients. So when we make a model, like our model like usually looks like this. We provide like an example IDF file for the model and some graphical convention for RDF file, which we collectively agree in our project, and we make like a shape expression for that model. And yeah, and this is what we call as a model. Like, and we share this model with like implementers. In this case, like registry software developers or like even like external software companies who can use this model to implement in their software. So making this model is also like a huge process. So the modelers usually like what they do is like they just make a pull request to our Github repository, and someone will review model made by the modelers. So during this review process, so we just basically like review the pull requests. During this review process, like we came across like some systematic checks that we do to a model or like RDF files, which is time consuming. For example, like take this one, like this is like a command and like a shape expression file, where the modeler actually like missed like a prefix of that particular shape expression file, which is a bit of a problem. Like then it's not complete and we can't validate it. So my pitch was like to automate like many of the systematic checks that we did during our model review process. So I set up small Github page to play with it, and until today, like we managed to do some checks. For example, like when modeler provide like RDF file, we automatically check the RDF file, like if this RDF file is a valid RDF file or not. And we also did something extra too, but I don't see it here. So apart from syntactic validation of RDF file, no, it's not shown here. We also check like a bit of like redundancies in the RDF file, especially like in turtle file. Sometimes like modelers also provide like turtle files with prefixes that are not like used in the RDF at all. We also want to remove those prefixes because sometimes like we also notice like the implementers, they simply copy paste our file and use that as like a template. Sometimes they do get confused with like the redundancies in the file. So we did those two parts today, and today like we'll continue with like checking like syntactic validation of shex file itself, and also like removing like a redundancy of the shex file. So that's what I do today.
Thank you, Rajaram. That's really exciting. I should really make some time to sit down with